if you're an organisation that after COVID has been a little bit shaken up and you're just wondering where do I go to next, and you'd like to organise your thoughts for planning into the future, this is a wonderful program that asks you the questions that you should be asked by a panel of advisors, and it allows you just to reflect and put pen to paper and really plan where you'd like to see yourselves go in the next 5 to 10 years.
It's gold and it's free to the businesses of the region, and you have so much accessibility to Wayne and to the whole team and to the panel. It really is worthwhile doing. I would totally recommend it.
When I was filling out the business plan, it was making me think about different areas that I hadn't actually considered before, so it helped me define what I was actually doing.
You've got nothing to lose, you've got everything to gain. So it's been a really phenomenal 6-week course. You will not regret it, and it will broaden your horizons tremendously.
Getting together with other businesses was really important. When you're a sole trader, and I work from home all the time, so I don't have too much human interaction, and we've just gone through COVID where you really didn't see very many people at all. It was nice to actually get that chance to come in every second week, also to do the Zoom interviews, so it didn't inflict too much on my day-to-day operations, and that was really important that I could find that balance.
Today I did my pitch to the panel, and they were very, very gracious and very supportive. And they were able to give me some really good feedback, being able to tell me about some of the things that I am doing that are really good, and then also ways that I could expand or change my business that would be beneficial.
It was a wonderful opportunity to articulate where the direction of our business is headed, and also to gain some feedback and some insight from some experts in the industry.
The advice I'd give to other small business owners is do it. Go for it. It's 6 weeks, it's an hour and a half each week. You get to talk to other business owners. Do it. You get to meet lots of people too.